Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to install macOS Ventura Beta 5, which is latest from Apple. Without wasting time, let's move into the video. From Safari browser, open google.com. Here you need to type Apple Beta. It will open up a official page from Apple, which is Apple Beta software program. Just click on that. It will take you to the Apple Beta software program. So here you have a sign in option. You need to click on sign in and enter your Apple ID and a password. Once you enter your Apple ID and a password, you can see on right hand side it's now sign out. Before it was sign in button. So here are few guides. So before installing the beta version, you need to back up your Mac. It is not recommended to install the beta version on your primary Mac device. So you need to enroll your Mac device into the enrollment program. Just click on enroll your device. Now you are in enroll your device page. Here it's already mentioned that you need to back up your device, whatever software you are using, either Time Machine or any other third-party software. You can back up your device accordingly. So here now you need to enroll your device. You need to click on that link, download the macOS Beta Access utility. So you need to download that file onto your MacBook. Allow this. The file will be into your download folder. Once you download and install the beta file, you will see the macOS Beta version upgrade into the software update center. If you already installed beta version on your MacBook, you can upgrade to the latest beta 5 version from software updates. Beta file is downloading at background. Just wait a little bit. Let's see. Open your download folder. Here we go. We have a file here. We just need to open that file. Double click on that file. So it's giving you a warning regarding the backup. Just click OK, continue, agree. It will ask you to enter your username and password, administrator username and password of the MacBook. Once you enter, then it will allow you to install that file. Now you can see in software update section macOS Ventura 13 beta. So here you need to click on upgrade now. Here we go, macOS Ventura beta. Just click on download. It's a 12 GB of file. It will take a while to download and install Ventura on your MacBook. It depends on the internet speed as well. So still downloading. This is very interesting name, Ventura. macOS Ventura is very interesting name. Apple took this name from one of the city of California named as Ventura. Ventura is a name of city in California. Apple took that name from the city, and normally Apple is doing that. This is common. Beta installation file has been run successfully. Now we need to wait a little bit more. You can keep that file or move into the trash. Here we go. We are at the last part of the installation. Now we are into the new beta version of Mac OS 13 Ventura. So congratulations, you have done it. So you are now on the latest Mac OS Ventura. A lot of new feature in this Mac OS update. You can give feedback to the Apple by entering your iCloud ID into the Assistance app. Safari has been improved in this version of Mac OS. Do comments in the comment section and let me know what you find in the latest Ventura which was not there in the older version of Mac OS. So just discover new features, give feedback to the Apple, and find out more regarding the Mac OS world. Do like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates, and let me know in comments what you want to see. This is feedback assistance. Just enter your Apple ID and a password, then you can give the feedback to the Apple. Let's check the latest Mac OS on my computer. System preferences name has been changed in Ventura to system settings. So once you click on about this Mac, see, it's a completely new look. I hope you will like this latest version of Mac OS. It looks refreshed, a lot of changes, a lot of settings has been changed. Look wise, it's changed quite significantly. You can see now this is your system preferences, which is known as system settings in new Mac OS Ventura Beta 5. The system preferences, which is known as system setting in latest macOS Ventura, it's completely changed. You can see, just install macOS latest version on your laptop, on your MacBook, and post your comments in the below section and let me know what you like and what you dislike about this latest update from Mac OS. You can give feedback to Apple as well. I hope you like this video. Post your comments in comment section. Do subscribe, like and share this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.